Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to take another frame, an old frame that I have, and I'm going to redo it. I'm gonna make it over. I'm gonna paint it here. I'm gonna take the back off like I did the other one. I'm gonna take all this paper off of the back and I'm gonna pop out the picture that's inside of it, this. And I'm gonna make a whole new frame. I don't know what mine is gonna say yet, but I think I have something in mind for one of my walls in my living room. Like I said, most of my videos, I'm making things for my new place because I had a lot of old frames and I'm gonna take all my old frames and make new stuff because I'm tired of looking at all these old frames and I want to change everything up for the new house. And to paint it, I'm going to use just a regular little foam brush. And I'm going to use this color chalk paint. I have, if you looked at my other videos, I have this aqua already in my living room. So I'm going to continue to use that color. Okay, so I have the whole frame painted. You can't see it now, but let me pick up my phone. It's painted. So I'm going to let that dry. And while that dries, I'm going to start working on the sign for the middle. Okay, so inside of the frame where this picture was, it had a little foamy board in the back, and then this thing, when I flip it on the other side, it's white. So I'm going to use this white section here, since it's the perfect size for the frame. It came out the frame. I'm going to use that to put my words. And well, I already cut them out. I have to take them off here and I have to weed them out, and then I'll put them onto that white part. And once it's complete, I will show you the finished product. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, so I've put the sign back together, and this is what it looks like now. If you can see that. This is what it looks like now. And I am done with this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Thank you for watching. God bless.